Let's face it, the internet is bursting with passive income ideas. It's enough to make your head spin. Affiliate marketing, drop shipping, crypto mining. Suddenly your 9 to 5 sounds relaxing. But hold on, passive income shouldn't feel like rocket science. It's about finding simple, enjoyable ways to make your money work harder for you. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. We're going back to basics. Think, what do you already do that could generate a little extra cash? Because guess what? Passive income is within your reach starting today. Let me show you how. Remember that pile of cardboard boxes from your latest online shopping spree? Those boxes can be more than just clutter in your home. They can be the first step in your recycling journey. Breaking them down and recycling them is a simple yet impactful way to start. Or those soda cans piling up after a weekend gathering. Instead of tossing them in the trash, consider the benefits of recycling. Each can you recycle is a step towards a cleaner environment and a more sustainable future. They're not trash, they're treasure. Think of all the materials that can be reused and repurposed. By sorting your recyclables, you're contributing to a cycle that reduces waste and conserves resources. Recycling is the ultimate passive income gateway drug. It's a way to earn a little extra cash without much effort. Just by recycling items you would otherwise throw away, you can start to see financial benefits. It's easy, it's good for the planet, and it puts money in your pocket. The process is straightforward, and the positive impact on the environment is significant. Plus, the extra money you earn can add up over time. No, you won't be swimming in cash yet, but every penny counts. Think of it as a small reward for doing something good. Over time, those pennies can turn into dollars, and you'll be surprised at how much you can accumulate. Download a recycling app to find the best rates in your area. These apps can help you locate recycling centers, compare prices, and even track your earnings. It's a convenient way to maximize your recycling efforts. Set up separate bins for different materials. Having designated bins for paper, plastic, glass, and metal makes the sorting process easier and more efficient. It also ensures that your recyclables are properly processed. Make it a family affair. Even the kids can get involved. Teaching children about recycling from a young age instills good habits and a sense of responsibility towards the environment. Plus, it can be a fun and educational activity for the whole family.
You'll be amazed by how quickly those pennies turn into dollars. As you consistently recycle, you'll start to see the financial benefits. It's a rewarding experience that shows how small actions can lead to significant results.
And who knows? Your commitment to recycling might inspire others. You might even inspire your neighbors to join the recycling revolution. Imagine the impact if your entire community started recycling. Together, you can make a big difference in reducing waste and promoting sustainability. So, start your recycling journey today and be a part of the change.
Meet Jane. She inherited her grandmother's vintage clothing collection. At first it seemed like a burden. Clothes from the 70s? What was she supposed to do with them? Then, inspiration struck. Jane started an Etsy shop selling those retro threads to a new generation of fashion enthusiasts.
I staged photo shoots with friends, wrote quirky product descriptions, and watched my sales skyrocket.
Jane's story isn't unique. People are making bank selling everything from handmade jewelry to vintage furniture online. So what hidden treasures are gathering dust in your attic? It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur. Let me tell you about Dave, a true hustler. Dave is always on the lookout for new ways to make some extra cash. He's the kind of guy who sees opportunities where others see obstacles. One day, he realized his PlayStation 5 was gathering dust during the week, just sitting there, unused and unloved. It was a top-of-the-line gaming console, but with his busy schedule, he barely had time to play. So he had a light bulb moment. Why not list it on a peer-to-peer rental platform? He quickly created a profile, uploaded some photos, and set a reasonable rental price.
Gamers in my neighborhood were thrilled to rent it for a fraction of the retail price. They got to enjoy the latest games without the hefty price tag, and I was laughing all the way to the bank. It was a win-win situation for everyone involved. The money started rolling in, and it felt great. I was making money off something that was just collecting dust.
But Dave didn't stop there. He saw the potential in renting out other items he rarely used. He also rented out his barely used bicycle, which was perfect for weekend rides but often sat idle. His camping gear, which only saw the light of day a few times a year, was next on the list. Even his parking spot, which was empty during his work hours, became a source of income. Urban areas have a high demand for parking, and Dave capitalized on that. He turned his unused possessions into a steady stream of passive income. It was like having a side hustle without any extra effort.
The sharing economy is booming, my friends. People are realizing that they don't need to own everything. They can share and rent, creating a more sustainable and connected community.
So, what are you waiting for? Take a look around your home. What items are just sitting there, unused? Your unused stuff could be someone else's treasure. That old guitar, the extra lawnmower, or even the fancy kitchen gadgets you never use. All these could be your ticket to extra cash. Start small and who knows, you might just find yourself with a new lucrative side hustle. Okay, time for a personal story. This one is about how a simple, everyday action turned into a valuable life lesson for my kids and a financial boost for their future. Years ago, I started collecting aluminum cans. It began as a small effort to be more environmentally conscious, but it quickly turned into something much more significant. At first, it seemed silly. I mean, how much could a few cans really contribute? But I decided to stick with it just to see where it would go. I started dropping off garbage bags full of cans at the recycling center. Each trip, I felt a small sense of accomplishment. It was a routine that became almost therapeutic. And then, the cash started adding up. It wasn't a fortune, but it was more than I expected. Every little bit counted, and it was exciting to see the results of my efforts.
I remember when Dad first told us about the savings accounts. He explained how the money from recycling the cans would go into these accounts for our future. It wasn't much at first, just a few dollars here and there. But it was a start, and it felt good to see that small pile of money begin to grow. Over time, those small deposits grew. It was amazing to watch the balance increase little by little. It taught us patience and the importance of saving consistently.
It taught us valuable lessons about saving, investing, and the power of consistency. We learned that even small actions, when done regularly, can lead to significant results. The power of consistency was a lesson that stuck with us. We saw firsthand how small, regular contributions could grow into something substantial over time. Plus, it felt damn good knowing those cans weren't ending up in a landfill. Win-win, right? We were helping the environment and securing a bit of financial stability at the same time.
This experience showed me the power of small actions. It reinforced the idea that even the simplest efforts can have a big impact, both personally and environmentally. Even something as simple as recycling can make a difference. It's a reminder that our everyday choices matter and that we can all contribute to a better future, one can at a time. Let's address the elephant in the room. Some people think passive income is a dirty word. They picture shady online schemes or think it requires a ton of upfront investment. Here's the truth. Passive income is about working smarter, not harder. It's about creating multiple streams of income so you're not relying solely on your 9-to-5. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, take that dream vacation, or simply sleep in on a Monday morning. So let's ditch the negative connotations. Passive income is a powerful tool for achieving financial security and living life on your own terms. What are you passionate about? Photography, baking, knitting? Guess what? Your hobby could be your ticket to passive income. The internet has made it easier than ever to monetize your skills. Create an online course, sell your creations on Etsy, or offer your services as a freelancer. The possibilities are endless. Don't let fear hold you back. Start small, experiment, and see where your passion takes you. You might be surprised by what you can achieve. Here's the thing about passive income. It's not a magic bullet. It takes time, effort, and consistency to build sustainable income streams. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep showing up, keep learning, and keep refining your strategies. Even small, consistent actions can lead to significant results over time. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. But hey, at least you can start building your passive income empire today. Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway in your brand new BMW, the wind in your hair, a smug smile on your face. And the best part? You bought that car with your passive income earnings. Okay, maybe a BMW isn't your thing. Maybe it's a Tesla or a trip to Bali. The point is, passive income can help you achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always dreamed of. It's not just about the money either. Passive income provides freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind. It allows you to spend more time doing what you love with the people you care about. So, there you have it. Passive income isn't some mythical creature reserved for the lucky few. It's a tangible goal that anyone can achieve with the right mindset and a bit of hustle. Start small, experiment, and don't be afraid to fail. The most important thing is to take that first step. What are you waiting for? Your passive income journey starts today. Remember, building passive income takes time. Don't get discouraged if you're not rolling in dough overnight. Stay consistent, adapt your strategies as needed, and never stop learning. The world of passive income is vast and ever-changing. Embrace the journey, enjoy the ride, and who knows, maybe one day you'll be sharing your own passive income success story. Now go out there and make it happen.